Hello everyone, welcome back. Biology for Engineers. Exploring the role of lipids, diesel as a case study. Interjection. The role of lipids in diesel production is critical for understanding its properties and the environmental impact. Lipid including the fatty acids and plays a significant role in formation and the combustion of diesel. This presentation explores an intricate relationship between lipids, diesels, and diesel fuels. Lipids in nature are essential molecules found in all the living organisms, serving as an energy store and also structural component in nature. Lipids are commonly used in the following of vegetable oil and fatty animals fats, and the unique properties of lipids makes the deal for various industrial applications including the diesel production. The diesel production process. The production of the diesel involves an transfication of lipids which converts them into biodiesel. This process requires an use of catalyst and careful control of reaction condition. Understanding the role of lipids in the process is essential for optimizing the biodiesel production and ensuring the fuel quality. The chemical consumption of diesel. Lipids contribute to the chemical consumption of diesel, influencing its viscosity, cation number, cold flow properties. The presence of lipids in the diesel also impacts its oxidation stability and the emission characteristics. Exploring the chemical composition of diesel provides an insights into the role of lipids in fuel performance. Environment impact. The combustion of diesel, influenced by the presence of lipids, has a significant environment implications. Understanding the role of lipids in the diesel combustion is essential for assigning its emissions profile and developing the strategies to mitigate the environmental impact. Lipids play a critical role in champing the environment footprints of the diesel fuel. Lipids and the engineering performance. The interaction between the lipids and diesel's fuel directly impacts an engine performance. Lipids directed the biodiesel. It exhibits a different contribution, characteristics, and lubricity compared to petroleum, diesel. Understanding the role of lipids in the engine performance is essential for optimizing the fuel formulations and ensuring the efficient operation. Quality contributant standards. The role of lipids in the diesel necessitants and the quality control messages and the industrial standards. The monitoring the lipid content, oxidative stability and contaminant level is essential for ensuring diesel fuel meets and regulatory requirements. Understanding the role of lipids as a critical for maintaining the fuel activity and the performance. The advancement of lipids based on technologies such as microalgae derived lipids for the biodiesel production offer and promising future prospects. Understanding and involving role of lipids in the diesel production is essential for embracing the sustainable and the innovative solution. The future of diesel as a case study highlight the significance of the lipid research and development. Regulatory consideration. The frameworks like critical role in the sharpening and utilization of lipid diesel production. Understanding the policy implications and regulatory requirements is essential for navigating the complex landscapes, and the lipids derives of fuel. Addressing regulatory consideration is a critical for promoting the responsible and the sustainable use of lipids into the diesel industry. The integration of lipids in the diesel production presents both challenges and opportunities. Overcoming the issues related to the lipid sourcing, fuel stability, compatibility with existing infrastructure is essential. Embracing the opportunities for sustainable fuel development and enhance the performance, which underscores the dynamic Laplace of lipid ensued the diesel production. The case study reflection. The exploration of the lipids in the diesel as a case study provides valuable insights into an intricate relationship between the biomolecules and the fuel technology. This case study reflects an interdisciplinary nature of lipid research and its profound impact on energy and transportation sectors, understanding the role of lipids in diesel offers and combining the venue of the future sensitivity inquiring innovation. The role of lipids in the diesel production is multifaceted, influencing the fuel properties of environment, impact, and engine performance. Understanding an intricate relationship between the lipids and the diesel of a compiling the venue of sustainable fuel development and regulatory compliance. This presentation as should be prior to protocol to the role of lipids with the diesel as a case study in sharing the future of transportation fuels. Thank you guys.